everyone, my name is Barbie and welcome to my channel BarbieTube HD. So today I have a good news for all of you that we are starting a new series on our channel named as Scientific Sundays. So in this series we will bring you some fun and cool science experiments. So this is our first episode, and in this episode we are going to make a tabletop volcano. So for this we will require some items. So let's bring them, but with magic. So for this we have required here some liquid dishwasher, baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, and a teaspoon. So here we have a tabletop volcano base. It is made up of plastic. You can also make it in home by cardboard in paper. So first we are adding the liquid dishwasher in the tabletop volcano base. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of baking soda in that. Now we will add some red food coloring to make it look like a lava. So now we will add vinegar in this. So, isn't the experiment was cool? If you like the experiment, please hit the like button, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel BarbieTube HD, and please stay tuned. I will meet you another Sunday with a new cool science experiment. Goodbye for now.